Yo, it's your boy G.Phresh in the building. You already know what it is. Here with the sneakery. You finally get to see my beautiful face. Not me. Anyways, you already know what you're here for. Before you even do anything, comment, like, and subscribe. That's it. That's all I'm asking. Just show me some love. That's it. I take a lot of time making these videos. I take a lot of time into work when I put in these sneakers. I want to receive that love back. And trust me, I'm going to give you the love back. So do that for your boy. Anyways, we're already here. Kill the intro. Let's go. Alright, so you already know what it is. You're here to see these crazy Jordan Cement 4s. Oh wait, I don't know where they at. Hold on. They right here. Dang, man. These joints look real crazy, yo. But we're gonna get it done. You know, right here we got some quick yellowing right here. Looks like homeboy was painting his grandma's garage or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna take care of these. So tune in, let's get it. Right now, I just did like a prepping to do this outsole. See the discoloration right here. So we're gonna kind of bring this back to the gray part, because it makes no point of cleaning the upper if this right here, the outsole, is just dirty as hell. As I unyellow this sole and kind of get some of this, you see right here, like it's just very brown and tarnished and all this black tar from paint, and I don't know. Doesn't matter how much I clean this is pretty much stained. So I'm gonna have to strip that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Woo! Man, so I know y'all ready to see the finished product for these Cement Jordan 4s. It wasn't a hard shoe to do. It's one of those shoes that every day I gotta do something different. Then go on to the next part, because I have to really take my time, because I'm trying to reconstruct a shoe or restore a shoe and make it wearable again. Not like wearable like, oh, I only go to the supermarket. No, my objective is to make it like as if it comes fresh out the box. Even though that's a very hard task to do, that's my goal. That's what I'm trying to do, because I don't want somebody walking down the street, what are those? Like, nah, bruh, I ain't trying to do that to you. With no further ado, let's bring out these Jordans out. Woo! Here they are. Let's keep in mind, this shoe was messed up. There was paint literally like sealed. The midsole was just faded, streaks, seeped in paint. This Jumpman was literally a black man. Oil, stains, spots. This was peeling off. Had to re-glue that. The creases were crazy. I'm really happy how this shoe came out. And the customer did not have laces. So I went ahead and took the courtesy to give him some laces. So yeah, so it's your boy G.Phresh. Make sure you check out my other videos. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Tune in. It's the sneakery.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a f, that's what they don't understand.